The construction sector continues to grow in many regions, supported by residential, commercial, and infrastructure projects. This has increased the demand for construction service providers with specialized skills beyond just ordinary workers. Moreover, you don't need a massive crew to start a construction business anymore. You just need the right machine. Today, we are looking at 10 small-scale machines that can help you break into the construction sector with minimal staff, and some of these machines are suitable for beginners, and others require some technical knowledge. Keep in mind these machines are merely tools. Business success is not guaranteed by the purchase. It is tied to market research, operational efficiency, and local demand. So watch the video till the end, because machine number 9 is actually a most expensive one on our list. But it can literally do the work of 5 people in half the time. Stick around to see if it's worth the jump. And to know more of such unique business ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Now come, let's watch. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Concrete mixer machine. The concrete mixer machine is one of the most commonly used machines on construction sites. Even today, many small-scale contractors mix cement, sand, and aggregates by hand. This is not only time-consuming but also results in an inconsistent mix quality. However, a portable concrete mixer, which can be easily transported from one place to another, produces a uniform mixture in a very short time, significantly increasing the speed of work. You can invest in a high-quality machine, and with this machine, you can provide services to small contractors, home builders, and those involved in building renovations. Number 2. TMT bar bending machine. Every sturdy building begins with precise bent TMT bars. Previously, workers bent the wires by hand. This process was time-consuming and made it difficult to achieve precise angles. A TMT wire bending machine can bend wires into various designs in a matter of seconds. Its price depends on its capacity, and its primary customers are building developers, pole contractors, and small-scale developers. Contractors working on multiple projects may recover the investment over time through regular machine utilization. Number 3. TMT bar cutting machine. At construction sites, cutting TMT bars to the correct length before bending them is crucial. Incorrect cutting leads to material wastage and increased project costs. Previously, they cut it manually, but using the TMT wire cutting machine, even thick wires can be cut easily. Moreover, it may improve operator safety when used correctly and with appropriate protective equipment. This machine can be taken to the construction site and provided cutting services, or it can be rented out. Many small contractors prefer to use such services instead of purchasing the machine outright. Number 4. Floor grinding machine. Today, demand for polished concrete floors and epoxy floor preparation has grown in many commercial applications. However, proper floor preparation is essential to achieve a high-quality finish. A floor grinding machine removes old layers, levels the surface, and prepares it for new coatings. Potential clients include hotel lobbies, commercial complexes, warehouses, and factories. Many service providers commonly charge either per square foot or per project, depending on the scope of work. Number 5. Tile cutting machine. The use of large format tiles and porcelain slabs is rapidly increasing these days. There is a risk of breakage when cutting them with ordinary tools. By using a professional tile cutting machine, you can cut expensive tiles neatly and precisely without damaging them. Such tile cutting machines are available at affordable prices from various local sources and online platforms. Interior designers, tile installers, and homeowners renovating their properties are willing to pay for this service. Number 6. Concrete vibrators. Although many may overlook this machine today, it plays a crucial role in creating robust concrete structures. Concrete vibrators are used to expel trapped air from the concrete and increase its density. This helps the wet mixture to adhere tightly to the reinforcing steel bars and formwork. Therefore, these concrete vibrators are used in many construction sectors. They are particularly essential for contractors involved in constructing pillars, slabs, and foundations. Even though it is a small-scale machine, the demand for it continues to be high. Number 7. Rotary hammer. A rotary hammer is a very useful tool for not only small-scale drilling, but also demolition work. By turning off the rotation, you can attach chisels or chisel-shaped hammers to break up concrete, remove floor tiles, or carve out mortar. It is an essential tool for tasks such as electrical work, plumbing, AC installation, and renovation projects. You can purchase a quality unit at a reasonable price and then generate rental income by renting it out for construction projects, depending on utilization and local demand. Number 8. Plate compactor machine. A plate compactor is a piece of construction machinery used to compress and level loose materials such as soil, gravel, sand, and asphalt, thereby creating a firm and stable surface. These machines are widely used for projects involving driveways, walkways, small parking areas, and the laying of interlocking blocks. This machine is especially used in narrow spaces or corners where large, heavy rollers cannot operate. Real estate developers and landscaping companies are the primary customers for this equipment. Number 9. Cement plaster machine. A cement plastering machine is specialized construction equipment used to mix, pump and spray mortar or cement mixtures onto walls and ceilings. It replaces laborious manual labor by providing fast, consistent coating work, reducing material waste and significantly increasing daily square footage on job sites. These types of machines are often used continuously for long periods by operators who deliver high-quality work quickly. Wait, before you buy the plaster machine, remember it's a beast to clean. If you don't wash it out every single day, you just bought a very expensive paperweight. At number 10, mini scaffolding system. Small-scale scaffolding systems are very useful for working safely at heights. They are increasingly used in painting, false ceiling installation, electrical work, and maintenance work. Additionally, they provide a stable platform equipped with wheels for easy mobility and feature detachable parts that allow for quick assembly and disassembly. You can generate additional rental or service revenue by renting out these devices or combining them with installation services. Friends, these are just a few of the small machines that may help you establish or expand a construction services business, depending on market demand, execution, and your technical capabilities. Not every machine is suitable for everyone. Some may require significant investment or technical expertise. Actual income, costs, and demand may vary depending on your location, experience, quality of machine, and customer interaction. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Therefore, we urge you to conduct your own market research before making any investment. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.